Did you know that over 80% of millionaires didn't inherit their wealth, but built it through smart habits anyone can copy? I'm Ben Franklin, and today I'll walk you through 3 proven money habits that can turn ordinary income into extraordinary wealth. These aren't gimmicks or get-rich-quick schemes. They're practical steps you can start today. Let's dive in. Most people pay bills, buy groceries, spend on entertainment, and then save whatever is left. That's backwards. Millionaires flip the formula. They pay themselves first. At least 20% of their income is automatically moved into savings or investments before any spending happens. Why does this work? Because it makes saving a non-negotiable habit. It forces your lifestyle to adjust around what's left instead of treating saving as an afterthought. Here's an example. If you earn $4,000 a month and automatically save $800, in 1 year you'll have nearly $10,000 saved. In 10 years, that's almost $100,000, and that's before any investing growth. The second habit is consistency. Millionaires don't waste energy trying to perfectly time the market. Instead, they set up automatic recurring investments, often in broad index funds. Let's do the math. If you invest $200 per month into the S&P 500, and it grows at an average of 10% per year, in 30 years you'll have more than $500,000. That's $500,000 from small, steady contributions. The secret isn't luck, it's compound interest. Albert Einstein called it the 8th wonder of the world for a reason. Consistency also beats emotion. By investing monthly, you buy when the market is up and when it's down, lowering your risk and increasing long-term returns. The third habit is avoiding lifestyle creep. Here's what usually happens. Someone gets a raise, and instead of investing it, they buy a bigger car, a nicer apartment, or the newest phone. Their expenses rise just as fast as their income, so wealth never builds. Millionaires handle raises differently. Instead of upgrading lifestyle every time, they upgrade their assets. That means buying more stocks, adding to real estate, building businesses. Here's the key. Assets grow and pay you back. Toys lose value. A $50,000 car might be worth $25,000 in 3 years, but a $50,000 investment could double in that same time. So let's recap. Millionaires, pay themselves first, invest consistently, avoid lifestyle creep. The good news, you don't need $1 million salary to start. These habits work at any income level, as long as you start early and stay consistent. If you want more financial truth bombs delivered in simple, fact-based videos, hit subscribe to SmartFinanceFactz. Every week, I'll bring you another short lesson that could change your financial future. Because building wealth isn't about luck, it's about habits.